The juxtaposition of incongruity. That's the term they call it. Juxtaposition of incongruity. You know, the merging of the incompatible. Merging of the incompatible. Yeah. Taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and finding a single common denominator they share. So, let us discuss ambiguity. What is ambiguity? Ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretations, and within some syntactical context, vagueness.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Truth Noir. We have a very special guest tonight. I've seen him speak a couple times, and he's extremely knowledgeable about a great number of topics. And he's here to share some of that information with you. Most of it I've never heard before. Like, I always learn a lot when he's on. And so I'd like to welcome him to the show. This is Atelston, Fitzgerald Holder the First. Thank you so much for being on.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So I've heard you speak about spectrum disorders like autism, global consciousness, computer technology, like just all over the place. And